Hi, this is Art with OCRV in Yorba Linda. I think we showed you some video of this earlier. So we had the front cap off. At a storage lot, someone backed into it with another motorhome. Seems to happen quite a bit. So you can see that we've got the repaired and refinished cap back on. We painted the cap in the spray booth. When the cap was off, we inspected for any damage inside. It seemed to be okay. So Sam here is putting all the trim back on, getting the new LED lights on it, and we'll get ready to deliver this back to the customer. So if you've got any fifth wheel trailer repairs, motorhomes, Sprinter vans, please come see us at OCRV Center. That's what we do. You can see there's another one right over there. That one actually had the whole inner structure for the fifth wheel towing hitch area was all broken and damaged, which is a common problem with these things, unfortunately. And we do all the fabrication and reinforcement to repair that too. So come see us at OCRV Center in Yorba Linda.